Hello guys and welcome back to the for Python for Beginners series, and in this video we're gonna talk about a new type of a for loop. So we've been always looking at this for loop, which is just a basic for loop with for I in range, and it just prints out five times because the range is 5. But there is actually a new type of for loop that has something to do with lists and tuples. Now, not really tuples, but only lists. So I'll just leave that for reference, and then we're gonna start by making our first advanced for loop. So first we're gonna start for, and then we're just gonna create any variables of fruit, just like in here. And I do want to point out that you can actually over here print I or the variable's name before I start. Just wanted to point out that, and it'll just print out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's comment that out and show you just like this. And remember, it will start from 0. Okay. So for fruit, now you can also call it I or whatever. In, not range, in the list name, so fruits like this. And then we come down, and what we're gonna do is print, and you know what, let's print root. Okay, sorry, brackets. Okay, so if you run this, and that's okay. So if you run this, you see you get apple, banana, and strawberry. So it prints out anything that is in the list. Now this is not all. This is not just the use of this advanced for loop. Now this for loop, what it actually can also do, you can use it for like a lot of reasons. So now I'm going to show you how to use it, but this actually requires nested loops. So so the way we can do this is we are going to check if the item in the fruits is maybe apple. Okay, so if, and then let's say fruit, sorry, not fruits. In square brackets, we're going to say the variable's name, which is fruit. Now I'm going to say variable name, and then if it is equal to apple, okay, then we are going to print is apple. Okay, else we're going to print not apple. Okay, so this is just a basic loop or a statement. So this is an if statement in a for loop, which is called nested loops. So first we're gonna iterate by item, so this is called iteration by item. So we're gonna iterate by the item, items in the fruits list, and then if the fruits list of the index fruit, so remember the index starts from 0, 1, or 2, and 2. So for fruit 0, so for 0 in fruits, that's how you could understand, like the index 0 in fruit, and then the index 1, and then 2. Okay, so if fruits, the index of fruit, which is going to start at 0, then 1, then 2, is equal to apple, which is apple, then we're going to print as apple, otherwise no. So let me just run it and show you. Okay, I'm sorry for this kind of error, because I really got confused with the original for loop. So what we're gonna do here is if fruits is equal to apple, that should work, hopefully. Yep. So okay, let me see, did I just misspell something in apple? Okay, now again, sorry, it's not fruit, it's fruit. Now let's check. And yep, we get the apples. So apple is apple, banana is not an apple, strawberry is not an apple, of course. So here what it basically does is it checks in fruits, the index of fruit. So if we start with 0 in this case, so if the fruit, so basically if index 0 in the apple, which is the apple, sorry. So if index 0 is apple, then print is apple, else print not, and then it increases. Then it's 1. So if index 1 of the list fruits is apple, print is apple, else not. So this just keeps running. And if we add maybe another item, which is apple, sorry, yeah, okay. Now if you run it, you see it still prints is apple, not is. Okay, cool. So this is it for really the advanced for loop, which is iteration by items. I hope you've enjoyed the video and learned what is like iteration by items. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe as always. And if you have any questions, just type it in the comment section below and I'll be sure to answer. And I'll see you soon.